Hi friends, I hope you're quite well. Today I have this calendar 2021. I know I'm late, so you can download it and edit it. Here is some photos of weather, winter, and March. You put your quotes or etc. Okay, here is 12 templates. First is for monogram your title. January is here, and you put your own design, your website, contact us, etc. Here is September, and this date is my birthday, 17th September. Okay, so first I started drag to Photoshop, and these are very simple files, very simple. Just click on photo, and for example these are February, and here is February wallpaper, and sorry, press shift like this, Control S. I tell you, just for example, these files are CMYK color, mean printable files. You put your own design, you can edit. Here is frame, you see, and shape, sorry, shape is here. Double click, sorry, these are logged. Click here, click on FX, current ends overlay. You change any current ends overlay like this. I know you can do better. So here is January, and we start to February. So you can edit one by one, for example like this, and open photo. You need portrait, but I have a landscape images, but don't worry, I know you can do. Control S, or you can edit it. So I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel for more future data. Take care, Allah Hafiz.